Good day, everyone. Today we will talk about stoichiometry, which is one of the important concepts when learn chemistry. So, before we move to the actual knowledge of stoichiometry, we would like to talk about the recipe that is used to make an egg sandwich. Okay, so stoichiometry, we can use this concept to explain it. So for egg sandwich, the recipe will be 2 slices of bread plus 1 slice of cheese plus 1 slice of fried egg and you have 3 slices of tomato slice. So this is the recipe. The recipe will be bread to cheese to egg to tomato slice, and the bread will be 2 and 1 cheese, 1 egg and 3 slices of tomato. So same goes to the equation. When we talk about stoichiometric equation, so let's have an example. So the stoichiometric equation that I'm going to use in this lesson will be oxygen plus 2H2 become 2 water, H2O. So for oxygen, let's use a green color to represent. So I have 2 atoms. So this is 2 oxygen atom. And for H2, you have a 2 here, you have a 2 here. So 2 times 2 equals to 4. Meaning, I will have 2 pairs of H2. Whereby the total atom is 4. So I have 4 hydrogen atoms. So how about water? I have 2 molecules of water. In this case, let's move to here. So 2H2O, you can make it like a mathematic. So 2H2O, 2 times 2 equals to 4H atom. 2 times 1 oxygen equals to 2 oxygen atom. So in this case, I will draw like this. Just now, oxygen atom is a green color one. So I have an oxygen atom with 2H2 here. The H is represented by the red color atom. And because I have 2, so there are 2 pairs. So when we count it, it is 4 hydrogen, which is the red color, and 2 oxygen, which is the green color. So in this case, when I ask you what is the recipe to make water, the recipe will be oxygen towards hydrogen towards H2O. The ratio is 1 to 2 to 2, which is represented by here. And here is a 1. So this is what we meant by stoichiometric equation. So now, let's move to another meaning of this equation. Okay, I will rewrite this. So it will be 1 oxygen plus 2 H2 become 2 H2O. So for this, if I mention it or if I describe it in terms of molecule, it will be 1 molecule of oxygen react with 2 molecules of H2 to get 2 molecules of H2O. Or I can say 1 mole of oxygen reacts with 2 mole of H2, we will get 2 moles of H2O. But what if one day I have this? How about I have 10 mole of oxygen? Because the recipe is 1 to 2 to 2. So 10 mole of oxygen will need to have 20 mole of H2. So you will get 20 mole of H2O. Okay, so now let's go to the question part. So if let's say there is a question that asks us, how many moles of O2 is required to produce 10 moles of water, H2O. So in this case, what we need to do is, first, look at what we are going to utilize. The information that we have here is 10 mole of H2O. So we write 10 mole of H2O at the front. And what is the recipe? The recipe is O2 plus 2H2 become 2H2O. So I'm looking for O2. And the information that is given here is H2O, meaning the information that I can get from the stoichiometric equation is H2O and O2. So let's write down the recipe. So 2 mole of H2O and 1 mole of O2. In this case, we can use mathematic methods, which is the elimination and cancellation. Mole H2O, mole H2O. Okay, then 10 times 1 mole of O2 divide by 2, you will get 5 mole of oxygen, which is the answer. Okay, question 1. This is quite. Then next, we move to question number 2. For question 2, if there are how many moles of H2O can be made from 2.5 moles of oxygen. So in this case, I will rewrite the balanced stoichiometric equation, which is O2 plus 2H2 become 2H2O. So what we have here, the information that we have here is 2.5 mole of oxygen. So we write it down at the front. 2.5 mole of oxygen. And how about the formula? The formula will be 2 mole of H2O divided by 1 mole of oxygen. We will arrange the oxygen down because later we need to cancel it. We need to cancel with this. So more oxygen, we can eliminate it. So it becomes 2.5 times 2 mole of H2O divided by 1. So 2.5 times 2 equals to 5 mole of H2O. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, so if you have any question, you can comment below at the comment section of this video, and I shall answer your question. Thank you.